Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celer network. In my previous videos, I showed you three patterns. One was a big harmonic move on the weekly time frame. Another one was the falling wedge, and the most recent pattern that I shared with you was the Gartley pattern against the Bitcoin pair on the 4-hourly time frame chart. Now let me just show you these patterns one by one, and then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line can do next. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Okay, this was the pattern. This was a bullish reversal harmonic pattern that I shared on 13th of July for my members at the Patreon. And I also shared with you as well, and I told you that we also have a very nice support of the 50 simple moving average in the buying zone. I'm just going to open this chart, and you can see after completion of this final leg, the price line was moving above this buying zone. And I told you that the price line can give us another chance by moving back in this potential reversal zone if it will retest this 50 simple moving average, and from here we can buy it. And you can see at that time the 50 simple moving average was at, you can watch the value of 50 simple moving average here, that was 2.4 cents. Now I'm going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line again moved down here and test the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame here. Even it was dipped up to 1.4 cents, but did not break down the 50 simple moving average and moved up, and so far it has rallied up to 5.8 cents. That is more than 140% rally so far. And then I also shared another pattern on 25th of August. That was the Gartley move with the Bitcoin pair, and let me just show you that chart as well. And I also shared that chart in my previous video as well, and I told you that from here we can have another reversal against the Bitcoin. This was the chart, and you can see that this pattern was formed on the 4-hourly time frame, and the price action was entered in the buying zone. This was the classic Gartley pattern on the 4-hourly time frame, and I told you that we can set our stop loss below X flag. That is the initial leg of this Gartley move, and we can place our buying order in this potential reversal zone, as which I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley. And the buying was starting from 0.00000095 satoshis to 91 satoshis, and these were our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish Gartley. Now I'm just going to play the chart. You can see this was the pattern, and you can see at that time the price line was moving in the potential reversal zone. And now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line moved a little bit more down for one candlestick. It was closed below this level, below this potential reversal zone, but in the very next candlestick it reversed back in this potential reversal zone, and so far it has rallied up to 21% against the Bitcoin. Now if we move to the live chart, and let me just show you one more pattern that I shared with you in my previous videos. That was this falling wedge pattern. And after breaking out, the price line was retesting the previous resistance of this falling wedge as a support. And I told you that after retest we can have another move towards the upside, and you can see from 2.9 cents to 5.8 cents it has rallied so far after testing this falling wedge resistance of the falling wedge as a support. Now if we take a look at the live 4-hour time frame chart here, this is the new development that the price line has formed on the 4-hourly time frame, and it has formed a broadening formation. And you can see after every bounce it is forming higher than previous highs. You can see, and right now it is taking another bounce. It is likely to take another bounce. And for example, if the price line will move here, then it can reach up to 6 cents, or maybe above 6 cents, because it depends how the price line will be moved. For example, here the price action moved a little bit sideways here and accumulated above the support, and then it moved up. And for example, if it will have some accumulation above this support of this broadening formation, it will be moved in this way, then it can even cross 7 cents as well. And if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, then here we can see that we have previously we had this very strong key support that was at 2 cents, and then it broke out 3 cents resistance level. After retesting the previous resistance as a support, moved up, and here the price line had big trouble. Like it was rejected here from this 5 cents resistance level, moved down, tested the previous resistance of 4 cents as a support, and moved up again. And once more it was rejected, and this was a double bottom, and moved down again, but again it formed, this was a double top, and here the price action formed a double bottom that canceled the previous double top formation and moved up and broke out the next resistance of 5 cents, and it is rejected by 6 cents. You can see it went very close to 6 cents. That was 5.89 cents, and now it is likely to move down to test the previous resistance as a support, that is 5 cents, like it did here. And after this retest, we can expect that one by one, step by step, it will break out the next resistance levels as well, like it is doing right now. And let me just show you that how much powerful this support is, this 5 cent support is. We can see that here we had a double top. It was working as a very strong resistance here, and here it also worked as a very strong resistance. And previously we can see that here it worked as a strong support, and here it worked as a strong support. Therefore right now we have a very nice support at 5 cents, and we can expect that after testing this 5 cent as a support, it can move up, and step by step it can break out the next resistance levels as well, like it is right now doing. Step by step it is breaking out the next resistance levels. Now next resistance after 6 cents will be 7, then 8, and our final resistance will be at 9.5 cents, approximately at 10 cents. And one more major development I would like to share with you, that previously we saw that the price line was likely to be rejected by this 25 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. This is the 25, this green one is 50, and this red one is 100 simple moving average. And we have already seen when I was showing you this pattern, this big bullish bat move on this weekly time frame chart. And here I told you that the price action tested this 50 simple moving average and moved up. You can see that this is the same weekly time frame chart. The price line tested this 50 simple moving average several times and moved up. And here the price action was testing the previous resistance as support. When I shared my previous video, at that time the price line was moving down. Right now the price action is breaking out the 25 simple moving average again. It is moving above the 25 simple moving average. In fact, it has moved above the 25 simple moving average. You can watch the value of the 25 simple moving average here. That is 4.696 cents, and right now the price line is 5.3 cents. Therefore we are above this 25 simple moving average, and I'm expecting that this week will be closed above the 25 simple moving average, as we also have a very nice and strong support at 5 cents. And if this support will be not broken down, definitely the price line will be closed above this 25 simple moving average. Right now we have two major developments. One is that we are breaking out this 25 simple moving average again on the weekly time frame. Now it can work as a very strong support for the long-term rally. And more important is that we have formed a broadening formation, and after every bounce you can see the price line is forming higher than previous highs. And if this time the price line is again going to form another higher than previous high, then definitely it is also going to break out the next resistance of 6 cents as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I have also shared my link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.